Good news! Today you are gonna check your security of your Active Directory. The thing is, you won't have to install any software. You don't have to have admin rights, domain admin rights, and it's gonna be done in like 5 minutes. Let's get started. We're gonna look at a tool today called Pingcastle. Pingcastle is a free tool. You can download it at pingcastle.com, and you don't have to install it, just unzip it. I unzipped it to see Pingcastle, and because the domain controller that we're gonna check today, the computer I'm sitting on right now is not at the same domain, so I had to make some slight adjustments to my host file so that I can talk to the domain controller. So now we're gonna go start Pingcastle. It's pingcastle.exe. This tool is only available for Windows, so sorry, my Linux guys. We're gonna supply a user called Peter Parker. We're gonna supply a password as password 2, and we're gonna supply a server. The domain controller is called let me see, it's hydratechdc.marvel.local, and we hit enter. Oh, there is a spelling mistake somewhere. Let me check. Tech user, Peter Parker, tech password, tech server. Oh yeah, we're gonna do a tech health check, of course. Alright, the user credentials that we supplied of Peter Parker. Peter Parker is just a normal domain user. He's not in any administrative groups. He doesn't have any special rights in the AD. It's just a normal user with no special rights. The tool's gonna check. It's gonna run quite some checks against the domain controller, and we're gonna have the results in a couple of seconds. Should be done any minute now. Let me see, and boom, we're done. Now, what Pingcastle did, it put an HTML file and also an XML file in this folder right here. We're gonna have a look at that right now. Let me open an Explorer and navigate to that folder real quick, and let's open the HTML file. Now, 0 is good, 100 is bad. and as we can see right now, the Marvel.local AD not looking that good. Now, important to know is this Active Directory is not deliberately configured in a bad way. This is just the standard installation of a AD. Windows Server 2022, I installed the AD roles and features, and that's it. This is a standard installation of Active Directory, and you can see it's horribly bad. If you want to know how bad it is, you can scroll down and have a look at all these things when we got points for. For example, until MV1, non-admin users can add up to 10 computers to the domain. Stuff like that is from a security perspective and not really good. If you want to know more about a specific item, let's say Labs doesn't seem to be installed, you can click on it. You can see what's wrong. You can see how you can fix it. You got the links to Microsoft, you got all of this stuff mapped to the MITRE ATT&CK framework, and you get all the information you need to get your Active Directory up to speed. The thing is, if you are an attacker, let's say a pen tester, this is also a very helpful tool, because if you gathered or if you cracked some domain credentials, you can run Pingcastle against the domain controller of your of the target organization, and you get a lot of useful information for different ways that you can use to further your advances, to make it up to whatever you want, probably domain admin. Alright, pingcastle.com, download this tool today, run it against your Active Directory. You don't need any special rights, you don't need to install any agents on your domain controllers or stuff like that. This whole thing is done in less than 5 minutes. That was a quickie for today. We're pretty much done. See you next time. Peace.